everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to change account on Facebook. For that, go to your Facebook account and make sure to get logged in just like me. So you can see that I'm already on the first page of my own account. So to switch account or to change account on Facebook, all you have to do is tap on the three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner or the hamburger icon. Just tap on it, and all you have to do is you need to scroll down and then tap on this logout option, and then make sure to log out from this particular account. You can see that I have got two of the accounts switched into. So if you're going to tap on log into another account and then enter your mobile number, email along with your password and get logged in to that, you're on your account. You will just simply get switched into that account, right? But you can see that I've already got two of the accounts here, so I'm going to switch into one of these again. And then I'm going to tap on this hamburger icon on the top right corner once again. You can see that just straight on the right corner, straight to my own profile, you can see the another account as well. So if I want to switch account, all I have to do is tap on this particular next account's profile picture, just like this. And then here I will just get a popped out option that tells me that I can switch account, and I can either go to the next account or stay into this particular account for a minute or more. So you can see that I really want to switch my account to another account, so I'm going to tap on login option here. I'm going to tap on login as. So you can see that I simply do it just like this. So I want to switch back to the another account once again. I have to just tap on this profile icon on the right corner once again, and simply when the option pops up of the switch account, all I have to do is tap on login option once again. So here you can see that I can switch into different account easily on Facebook with this simplest and easiest trick and this process. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.